Makofi! Let's go! Good. Children going up, or one of the trivias we have in this world of which came first. Sawa. Tuko pamoja? Haya. Wacha ni tu ilisemekana there are two theories. If you believe in mkanyaga mitambo tena. If you believe, because okay, siko hizo miaka God akiwa, but I think it's very hard to God say let there be an egg. So
with LG Quad Wash, clean all of your dishes sparkling clean the first time. With 4 spray arms instead of 2, LG Quad Wash also includes multi-motion arms that rotate back and forth while spinning, providing enhanced coverage to clean every dish on every rack. It also gets things done faster, with its turbo cycle cleaning every dish in a mere 59 minutes. No matter the shape or size, you can get your dishes spotless with LG dishwashers. And it must be irritating to see water spots on your glasses, even after a run through the dishwasher. LG's True Steam uses high-temperature steam to melt away baked-on, caked-on food from your dishes. True Steam is powerful, yet gentle, suitable for both heavily used pots and pans, as well as delicate glassware, and reduces the need to pre-wash your dishes. With its upgraded drying performance, True Steam washes your dishes sparkling clean with 50% less water spots. No matter the type of food, LG dishwasher will maintain your dishes more clean and hygienic with fewer water spots. Tired of your noisy dishwasher? LG's inverter direct drive motor was designed with quiet in mind, compared to the dishwashers in its class. With fewer moving parts, you get not only reliable performance, but also better energy efficiency. Count on your LG dishwasher for years to come with a 10-year limited warranty on the inverter direct drive motor. Enjoy your quiet evening without noisy interruptions.
and the LG thank you functionality for all this. So washing machine, number 11. So, the reason you see we are all here is, you see even all of us here, we are going to start here because all of us here, like I've seen, we have very few products that we must have. And to give us more insights about the history, let me